Hi, thank you for visiting my YouTube channel Biswas Dancefloor. My name is Biswas and today I am going to teach you hip hop dance. After watching this choreography, you will learn how to hip hop dance. If you have not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of my latest dance tutorial. Let's start. So guys, it starts with right leg. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, along with hand. 1, 2, 1, 2. Got it? 1, 2. Okay, next step. Next step. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Got it? 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Just watch carefully. It's quite easy step. Just put your hand like that.
Left hand is up and right hand is foot on your waist, just like me.
Just roll your waist. 1, 2. Okay? And forward. 3, 4. Okay? Then again back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Let's do it from beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now make it fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? Hope you have enjoyed this hip hop dance choreography. Then please hit the like button and comment me on the below comment section.